Okay, today we're talking about emergency showers and eye wash stations. Okay, so this is an emergency shower and eye wash station according to OSHA 1910.151 and ANSI Z358.1. They require weekly testing. Basically, you want to turn on the eye wash, turn on the shower, make sure it flows clear. Signage is also required on the wall near every eye wash or emergency shower station. When you look up OSHA 1910.151 or ANSI Z358.1, you can see the rest of the requirements for emergency shower and eye wash stations as far as clearance around the shower and the dimensions. You can buy these ready-made as a kit that you screw together and install. It's important to never store anything around or on an eye wash station. As far as how many eye wash stations do you need, the rule of thumb is within 10 seconds of a work area or within 55 feet of a hazard. So if someone's using chemicals at their workstation, if they're doing something dusty and dirty or they're grinding and they could get particulate in their eyes, they need to be within 55 feet or 10 seconds to that eye wash emergency shower. Most of them are 1.25 inch pipe. So you can see you have a shower head, spray nozzles to rinse out the eyes. The drain can be connected to a floor drain or another drain waste vent pipe nearby. And as far as testing these and how to do it, you can see the drain at the bottom is open. It's a T. What I do is I take a 5-gallon plastic bucket. I press the lever that opens the ball valve to turn on the eye wash. Let the water flow out until it's clean and clear. And then I'll take that same 5-gallon bucket and I'll hold it up over the shower head, pull on that red lever, and let the water flow into the bucket for a few seconds until it's clear. As far as maintenance on these, just keep them wiped down and clean. You obviously don't want to be putting your face or cleaning your eyes in something that's dusty and dirty. And a lot of these have filters inside the eye wash spray nozzles, depending on what make and model you buy. So sometimes those filters will deteriorate or get clogged up with sediment or minerals from the water. So you may need to change out those filters once in a while. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.